Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make over the fence.
I was never good in Fayette.
You never showed up to Fayette, that's why.
That's right.
What's up, guys? Today we're in Waupun, Wisconsin, the South Branch Rock River. Coming down here to check it out. Do you think we're gonna find anything cool?
Hopefully.
Well, there's a little spillway right up here, but we're just coming down here all the way down past the school, a bunch of old houses, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of litter in the brush from flowing down, but let's go clean it up. We got a ball right here, racquetball. Welches. That's blowing the water. And here we have a golf ball. We haven't found enough of those. Looks like a piece of a mini skateboard. Some shoe. And some metal. Shovel!
Here's my new shovel that I just found.
We've got a dodgeball right here. Dip, dodge, duck, dive. Another.
We found 2 balls in schools in session. They can't see or hear us, but we're gonna toss them over the fence. Hopefully freak them out.
Yeah, hopefully.
I don't know if I can make it.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make over the
I
fence.
was never good in Fayette.
You never showed up to Fayette, that's why.
That's right.
What? Okay. Didn't go too far. Yeah.
If I had a cookie, I'd give it to you.
Oh, that's good. Bottle. Another racquetball. Where at least I know I'm free.
And I
Won't forget
the
I gave that right to me, and I gladly stand up
next
to you and defend her still today. No, there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Got some more stuff stacked up in this little log jam here. Oh.
I don't know what it is. It could be your new feeding trough. You like that?
Yeah, good buffet dish.
Right. It even comes with a snail.
Wilson! Does it actually make a nice hat? Makes a perfect hat. A lot of styrofoam and stuff in this river. Oh, Coca-Cola. We're just feeling around with our hands and feet since we can't see.
I am.
Ball number 4, eh? And your kayak's floating away.
A lot going on, that's what.
Oh.
I thought they were underwear.
They really collect the plastic bags, huh? What?
Fleecy white. The John
No.
Cole production, Chicago, Illinois. I was like, is it a rock? Or is it something cool? And it was something cool.
Just found this guy with my foot.
Yeah.
Looks like a Watkins. They don't see nothing on them, but I'm sure there will. That one's got a mystery fluid in there. Well, we're getting out of the river, along with plastic and fishing line. I found a little cup. That's a keeper.
What? No.
Can't help but I'm finding other bottles. Here's a ketchup bottle. Another Watkins, and it's got the cover on it. Yeah, the cork is in there. Nice green one. And we got another Coca-Cola one here from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. It says nothing.
It's just like in a unique shape.
Pear-shaped,
Uh-huh.
like you.
Am I? All I need is you.
Never heard the song of my life. Ritz crackers. Look at, they're still good, sealed in the package.
Yum, I was ready for a snack.
Not much for treasure, but there's some trash. Plastic bags. Fishing line. Look what you just missed.
Oh, what is it?
It's a whiskey bottle. Get that out of the river. Here we got a bobber. Get out the river. This is our 3rd dodgeball and like 6th or 7th actual ball.
We should start our own team.
You're not on my team.
I have a cord wrapped around my arm.
Yeah, good excuse. End of the float trip. Had a little raft up there. We're down by the bridge here. Found a decent amount of stuff in both kayaks. Christie's ready to get out. I'm ready to get out. It was a fun adventure, Waupun. Beautiful walk back. They got a nice trail here in Waupun. Make sure you check it out.